Neeta bhai,
What you want now? Shivram is not here.
Neeta ma'am sab has called me.
Shanta? Hey, Shanta. What is it?
I had called her. I have to go for job. Their work is at home. She will do it.
Hey, she is not of our caste and religion. She is Muslim. We are Deshmukh, Hindu Maratha.
Shivram would have been thought about this. But he went without it. Whom she will look at now?
Can do second. She will get more.
I don't want this to be happen. Let's go.
Hey, lamppost. What the hell you have done? Was Shanta insufficient? So brought the second to torture us? What I should do her?
Hey mom,
Huh?
not done it deliberately. It has happened by fluke. It happened. Now take care of her.
Huh? Hey, stepwives. Take care of each other. Don't tell me, huh?
I saw a dream, colorful dream. I saw a dream, it was colorful dream, but I didn't realize it was beautiful. Mother always worships photo with folded hands.
Community people told don't go. I left it on God. He said, listen to your heart. Hence I came.
And daughter?
She is in the school. In the evening I will go to home.
Hence luggage is very few.
What I say? My daughter's school is near my home. I will work here whole day and will go to pick up her. Will do namaz there. How can I do it here?
See, I don't follow this. You can perform namaz here also. And what work? Say we'll take care of your home. I will pay you.
I don't want money. You said with love. That's why I came here.
If you stay here only, we'll not give you money. All money will be given to you.
This much faith.
That day you came close to me and cried, then I got it. There is nobody innocent like you.
God said rightly. Listen to your heart.
System class?
Yes, is there.
Is Sane sir available?
Yes,
May I come in?
come in.
Yes, please.
Namaste sir. I want admission.
We don't teach at home. Have to come here in the class.
Want this class only.
English medium or Marathi?
English, Marathi, Hindi, teach all languages.
Not like that. School is English or Marathi.
English.
5,000 rupees.
Bought it.
Sent from tomorrow.
To whom?
Whatever son or daughter.
I am appearing for 10th.
Ah? I have to widen the benches.
Shut your mouth. Looking strange.
Did you got your admission?
Hey, not at all.
Hey, admission is not found. Have to get it.
That is. What the hell is the master?
Why? What happened?
He said he will not be able to teach women like me. He saw me and was nearly fainted. I went to school also. Not got admission there also. Now only 17 number.
Do you have to appear for 10th class?
Yes. That too as Neeta Mane only.
My 10th class is also there.
Yes, both will appear together only.
Hey, it's not like that.
Okay.
What about food?
We'll cook alternately.
I will eat at grandma.
As you wish.
And your meals?
I will cook for myself.
Survive for self. Why you behave like this?
Correcting earlier mistakes.
Congrats. Now you have to live as Shanta Shivram Mane.
Can change name by rules.
If you don't want Shivram's name, then why his job is needed?
Anyway, maybe the name of Shivram, but life will be mine. We'll use this job as a ladder. We'll use it and throw it away later.
How it's possible? You can't speak good English.
You know it and teach me.
What the hell again?
Then why you tease me?
Want to select your destination. That's the time pass and nothing to do.
Yes, study. Now I will use my brain.
Not brain. Brain is there. Pure means pure. N and N in its place.
Means like Padmis Deshpande. Pure.
Pure.
I saw a dream. I saw a dream. Colorful dream. I saw a dream. It was colorful dream, but I didn't realize it was beautiful. But I didn't realize it was beautiful. Didn't care the world while running crazy. Didn't care the world while running crazy. Mesmerized by them, it was wonderful.